You have a dream project, something in your heart that you want to create. A piece of art, it could be a film, a comic, music, maybe even a cause or a nonprofit that will change the world. But right now you don't know how to bring your dream into reality. It may seem impossible to fund your dream project, especially if you don't have a clear guide showing you the step-by-step process by which to do it. But there's never been a better time to be an artist, because for the first time ever, you can create your dream project entirely independently. I know because I had a dream project I wanted to create. I was just a kid who wanted to make movies, but I was able to raise over $100,000 through crowdfunding, tour with my film across the country, and even get the movie on Netflix. And it all happened because I used simple audience building and crowdfunding techniques that would apply to any creative project. Working in the arts is hard, and creating your dream projects is even harder. Most of the advice artists receive involves abandoning their dreams. Advice like, make something more commercial, do client work or freelance work. Advice to tell others' stories rather than the stories that are on your heart. This course is for those who want to make art that is meaningful and is seen by an audience and makes money. If you're willing to apply these methods, you can have an entirely independent career as an artist. No gatekeeper, no studio, no person or business in the world can tell you no. If you're ready to pursue your dreams, please sign up for this course, Dreams to Reality: How to Crowdfund Your Dream Project.